My name is Shobha Patil. I'm the CEO of Sankey Solutions. We are a young dynamic tech team of around 230 people, and we are based out of Mumbai and with offices in UK and Singapore. We service a lot of small, medium-sized companies as well as Fortune 500 companies and help them build excellent IT solutions with impact. Well, that would be my husband's photo frame. He is the inspiration behind Sankey Solutions as it stands, and he's an inspiration, day in, day out inspirations for me to forge my journey here as I stand today. That would be the Titanic song, My Heart Will Go On, because again, this is a legacy that I want to continue, and I think that that song so much resonates it. And there is one more song that I would want, and it's in Hindi, which says, "Hum honge kamyab ek din." Well, it has to be a detox water, because I think after a tiring day, you would need to rejuvenate yourself with something new. And Sankey stands on, unlearn, learn, and relearn philosophy. So I think that resonates very well with the detox session. I would have wanted to start something for social entrepreneurship for malnourished children specifically. But that's an idea, but maybe sometime in future I'll pursue it. Well, I think we are always, as individuals, want to give our best. But I think entrepreneurship, getting into this shoes, has taught me that you cannot have it all. You have to mend and bend ways to get it. So it's a time balance that you have to do. But at the end of the day, you have to always tell yourself that you cannot have it all. But it's okay to make those mends and do your best.
Dell Technologies presents Entrepreneur Challenge, powered by CNBC TV 18.